can the Ford Ranger drop in on Chevy's little truck party in the event that General Motors struck gold by restoring the Colorado and Canyon moderate size pickups 4 years back? At that point Ford would do well to trust that mine isn't tapped out when the Ranger achieves dealerships right on time 1 year from now. The portion detonated in ubiquity this decade, it has surged 78% since 2014. However, that development has all the earmarks of being coming up short on steam. A year ago's US offers of 452,335 moderate size pickups were under 1% more than the year earlier, and IHS Markit doesn't anticipate that the section will top 480,000 deals through 2025. Passages late to the gathering, Michelle Krebs, senior investigator for Autotrader, said in a meeting. The inquiry is there space for yet another passage, or has the development in that fragment crested? It's very conceivable that it has. All things considered, Ford accepts 1 year from now is the ideal time to revive the Ranger nameplate, which was ceased for US purchasers in 2011, while staying in numerous worldwide markets. Authorities are situating the pickup as a way-of-life vehicle that interests to more youthful dynamic purchasers who may not need the titanic pulling abilities and higher sticker price of a full measure F-150. It's extremely just not about development and the fragment estimate itself. It's about a portion of the progression that are occurring inside full measure. Todd Eckert, Ford's truck advertising chief, told journalists this month. As exchange costs keep on growing, we see a greater amount of an open door than we, say, 5 years prior, to get an average size pickup. What's more, truly get to that section level purchaser, who's an altogether different client.